Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get social proof from Shopify store. So let's get started. So in order to have a social proof, you need to have reviews, you need to have notifications, and then you need to have trust badges. So for the reviews, you can head over in here to your app store by heading over on a new tab and searching for apps at shopify.com. And then from in there, you can just search in here for reviews. So in here, once you have put in your reviews, just head over and click on enter. And you should be able to see some applications that you can use in order to actually import some reviews from AliExpress, from Amazon, or any of your store from there. So for me, I have in here my page and I have in here my product. So on my product right here, I have imported some reviews based on Amazon right here, depending on the specific product that I have. So you need to have that. Next thing you need to do is you need to have notifications. So head over to your settings, and then from in there, just scroll down until you can see these notifications. So from in there, you can see this customer notifications. And under this customer notification, make sure that this order processing, drop order invoice, shipping confirmation has been turned on. So when you click on any one of them, you should be able to see a preview of what they will look like. So you need to make sure that this notification has been enabled. So by enabling it, once a customer buy from you, they should be able to receive some emails from your shop, and they can also help in order to make them come back, and as it actually presents a very mall vibe. So the last thing you need to do is you need to have trust badges. So by saying trust badges, this is what it actually looks like. So this icons right here is trust badges. This means that you can actually pay using these payment methods. And since these payment methods are supported, it will develop trust from the customers that you have. So you can head over in here on your Shopify store or Shopify app store and then search in here for trust badges. So once you have searched for that, I recommend you to actually use the ones that I have installed for me. So I have installed trust badges pair. So once you have done that, they should be able to be added on your actual store. So the trust badges bear look like this. So let me just head in here in order to let you look what it looks like. So on the trust badges bear, you should be able to see their dashboard right here. So in here, let's just wait for this to finish the little process. So this is the preview of what it looks like. As you can see, this similar to this. They already have 9 icons. So you can select badges right here, wherein you can actually remove ones that you don't want to use, like for example, Shopify, Amazon, Amex. Right here, if you only want to use 5 right here, click on save. And then once you have saved that, head over to your product page and then just reload it. And then you should be able to see the trust badges updated right in here, just like this. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.